Today I'm going to show you how to turn humble millets into a breakfast that even your taste buds will thank you for. Paired with a fiery onion tomato chutney that doesn't hold back. Welcome to the slow whisk. Soak millets in a bowl. I have taken about a glass of barnyard millet and soak them. Then I have taken about 3/4 cup of urad dal along with some methi seeds and soak them. Now I have allowed it to rest for about 6 to 8 hours. You could do so depending on the weather. And then you can grind them into a fine paste. While grinding, you can add a little water if you require and allow it to ferment for 8 to 10 hours. This is how it looks after it's fermented well. Yes, of course, it's a little hard work, but trust me, anything for health, anything for family. Before you start preparing your dosas, add a little salt and adjust the consistency. This is how we need the consistency to be of a pouring consistency. So you can add a little water and then adjust it. Heat the tawa. If you feel the tawa is too hot, splash a little water so you can cool down the tawa. Okay, pour it and as usual prepare the dosas. You know what, something I found very interesting about dosas and the pouring of dosas? My daughter asked me this interesting question. Mama, why do you first make a circle and then you pour the batter in the circle? It taught me to I went into a deep thought. Then I understood that I am a person who loves to set boundaries first and then I start working with people or be it with any task for that matter. So how do you pour your dosas? You just go straight away onto the pan and then you pour it in the center and then you start spreading it across, or like me, do you make a boundary first and then you add in the remaining dosa batter? That's a thought for you, deep thought for you. I think you should get into it and then understand what kind of a person you are. Well, here you are, yummy dosas. Ideally, you prepare the chutney first and then you make the dosas so that you can serve dosas hot. Let me show you how to make the onion and tomato chutney. Take in a pan, add about 3 dried red chillies, saute them well. I've taken about 2 onions and sauteed them well. Added about 3 tomatoes. You could add 3-4 cloves of garlic, and I've not added here. You can add them, a little bit of tamarind, salt and a hint of jaggery, which balances out the spice. So grind it into a fine paste. There you have the fiery onion tomato chutney. You know this, when I was sauteing all these things, it started smelling like heaven. I love that. I love when the kitchen smells like magic. If you've liked this recipe, do let me know how did it turn out and subscribe. Thank you.